When our technicians perform major services on all generators, there is a lot more that goes into prepping for the service than just the service itself. Take this hospital in Brooklyn, for example. First, our technicians have to deal with a congested parking situation. They need to unload all the material onto a cart and wheel it in manually to the building. Once in the building, they make their way to the generator. Now this can be tricky because sometimes there is no freight elevator that takes the technician directly to the unit. Many times, the technicians must haul the material all the way up to the unit by carrying it through hallways, stairways, and around other obstacles. During the service, they will have to drain the oil from the generator into empty containers with an electric pump. They then remove the old filters. Once they are removed, they will clean the area of any debris, then install the new filters and gaskets. They will then pump new and clean oil back into the generator. Once the oil and filters are replaced and all the proper visual inspections have been done, they will run the generator for several minutes to ensure proper operation. After everything has been checked, they will turn the unit off and back into the automatic position. At this point, they can get ready to put everything away and wheel it back to the vans for proper disposal. As you can see, depending on the site and setup, preventative services are not as easy as they seem. For information, contact one of our service departments nearest you today to schedule service and make sure maintenance is done right.